Well, viewers, let's tell you about the high political drama that has erupted in West Bengal. It started on Saturday evening with the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee being pelted with eggs and stones. Shoes were hurled at him and he was branded a chore during a visit to Sonarpur. Abhishek Banerjee was there to meet the family of a TMC worker who, according to the party, was a victim of the post-poll violence. But soon after the incident, Abhishek Banerjee pinned the blame on the BJP, calling this an attempt to kill him.
All BJP sponsored. अब देखिए क्या हाल किया गया है। यह है इनका लोकतंत्र का नमूना। एक महीना हुआ नहीं, शरीर को आप गिरा दोगे। इरादे मजबूत और बुलंद है, जोश जज्बा जुनून अभी भी है और ये सर झुकने वाला नहीं है, चाहे वो कितना ताकत लगा ले। They want to kill me. এরা আমাদের প্রাণে মারতে চায়। মেরে দিক আমার মৃতদেহ উদ্ধার হোক এখান থেকে, কিন্তু আমি জায়গা ছেড়ে যাব না। আমি হাইকোর্টের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি, আমি রাজ্যপালের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি কি বাংলার পরিস্থিতি। এখানে প্রায় 50 জন সংবাদ মাধ্যমের প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে, দরজা ভাঙার চেষ্টা করছে, পুলিশের একটা লোক নেই। কি পরিস্থিতি হয়েছে আপনারা দেখুন। I will definitely move to court.
So this is what unfolded with Abhishek Banerjee alleging that this was an attempt to murder him. A day after Abhishek Banerjee was attacked in Sonarpur, another TMC MP, Kalyan Banerjee, also came under attack in Hooghly. Now, the four-time MP was headed to a police station to submit a complaint on post-poll violence when he was met with black flags and slogans of chore. Kalyan alleged that a stone or cricket ball was hurled at him, causing him to collapse. He was seen holding his head after he fell on the ground, calling it an attempt on his life. He blamed the BJP for attempt to murder and thanked the central forces for ensuring his safety. And while the TMC alleged that it was the BJP behind this targeted attack on its leaders, the BJP has dismissed this charge as nothing but drama. Reacting to Kalyan Banerjee's claims that stones were hurled at him, the BJP released a video and the BJP went on to say that the MP can be seen lying down casually, laughing and even discussing the size of the eggs thrown at Abhishek Banerjee. So the BJP claims that these incidents reflect public anger against the TMC's 15 years of misrule. Listen in to the political fight.
सोनारपुर में जो हमला हुआ था, उसके बाद बहुत सारे एरिया में एमएलए लोगों को लीडरशिप में प्रोटेस्ट रैली एक्सेट्रा प्रोटेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स हो रही थी। उसके बाद आज कल्याण बनर्जी हमारा सीनियर एमपी, उसके ऊपर भी हमला हुआ। जो लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है इस हमले का, तो उसका प्रोग्राम से पुलिस उठाकर ले जा रहा है, अरेस्ट कर रहा है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये कोई कार्यक्रम में नहीं था। तृणमूल कांग्रेस का क्या वर्ताव था, क्या आचरण था उसका पिछले 15 साल में वो लोगों को मालूम है। अभी जिस जनता को वो लोग घर से निकाल दिया गया, जिसको पीटा गया, मारा गया, जिस परिवार में बलात्कार हुआ था, तो वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो तो प्रशासन इसके ऊपर बात कर सकते हैं, पुलिस को देखना चाहिए। और तृणमूल कांग्रेस का कोई नैतिक या राजनीतिक अधिकार नहीं इसके ऊपर कोई टिप्पणी करना।
जो कुछ भी वेस्ट बंगाल में चुनाव के बाद हो रहा है, ये शर्मनाक है। और दूसरा जो है, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी इन सब इस तरीके के एटीट्यूड और हादसों को कंडेम करती है। हमारे नेता राहुल गांधी जी ने बात करके उनको साथ देने का वादा किया है और खड़े रहने का वादा किया।
15 साल एक तरफ पुलिस और दूसरी तरफ जहांगीर शेख शाहजहां को लेकर जो अत्याचार, अभिषेक बैनर्जी जो एरोगेंस, जो औद्धत्य, गाड़ी का बॉनेट में उठकर डीजे बजेगा 4 तारीख के बाद, आज गाली देना माननीय प्रधानमंत्री को, माननीय गृह मंत्री को, माननीय महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को, किसी को भी आप लोग छोड़े नहीं है। अब ममता बनर्जी का मुंह पे रूलर्स बिकम किलर्स, ये शोभा देता है क्या?
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, a big political fight has been triggered. The BJP claims that this is anger of the public, but the TMC has also again gone on to ask where the police officials were and why the TMC leaders are being attacked. What are the police officials saying on this, and how is the TMC planning to escalate this further?
Well, Pratibha, see, at this particular time, it is absolutely difficult to say who exactly carried out attack on the Member of Parliament, Abhishek Banerjee, because on one hand, we see the Trinamool Congress blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party that they carried out the attack on Abhishek Banerjee. It was orchestrated. They have been continuously sharing pictures and videos from their official social media handle in X, where the Trinamool Congress said that the BJP party workers were already stationed there before time, and they were in fact have shared videos where they alleged that food were being provided to the Bharatiya Janata Party workers. Now, on the other hand, the BJP says that this is nothing but drama, because this is happening because of the internal factionalism that is taking place within the Trinamool Congress, and also because of the anger that is there within the people in the state of West Bengal. Now, the BJP also have condemned this incident, and they have said that proper investigation should take place. Now, if you talk about the police investigation, the police have so far arrested 5 people in this case. Yesterday, they were produced before the local court, and police custody has been granted. Meanwhile, the questioning is going on.
Okay.
But interestingly, what has come out is that out of the 5 people who have been arrested yesterday, several of them have links with the Trinamool Congress former leader, Lovely Moitra, who was the former leader from the Sonarpur area. So that has come out from the investigation, but the police say that the questioning will go on, and in the future there could be more arrests in this case as well.
All right.